taking a break for the gym, or you just don't have the same motivation that we all seemingly had on January 1st, one of the first things I like to do when I don't feel motivated is, of course, put on a cute workout outfit, because for some reason that just gets me going and I just want to go to the gym and work out. And then if you don't have energy and you work out at nighttime, another thing that I find that is helpful is to have something that gives you a little bit of energy. So whether it's a little bit of coffee or some pre-workout, this is key right here, because them Celsius that I drink, I don't drink them every day, but when I don't feel motivated and I have one, it's just like I'm moving around so much, I have nowhere to expend my energy besides in the gym, literally. And then when it's upper body day, which are not really my favorites except when it's back, but when it's like, I'm trying to get gains in my arms, I'm not really that motivated. But when it comes to leg days, I never want to skip a leg day. That's just how it is. I know it's somebody out there that's just like that. Like, when it comes to leg days, you don't play. But when it's upper body, it's like, I'm going to get it done. But am I really going like super, super hard? So I'm trying to take it more seriously. And of course, I'm trying to still get my first push up. So I was just like, you know what? I need to go to the gym, because we have these goals, and when you keep the promises to yourself, I promise you it helps. Even if it's like the little things, like when you see me make my bed this morning, that is a non-negotiable. It needs to get done every single day, and then you just build off of that momentum. It works, I promise. Make those small promises and then keep them, and you'll see how it spills over into the rest of your life. But now we're going grocery shopping. I had to pick up some more food for my meal prep this week. Usually around Wednesday or Thursday, my meal prep starts to run out, so I just picked up some stuff. All of the cookies and the snacks and the junk that you see is actually for my kids at work. They're having like a little store on Friday, so I have picked them up some snacks, and then we're going to start meal prepping and cooking breakfast. Getting back on track as soon as possible, especially with eating, is like one of the hardest things for me. Once I feel like I've had a bad meal or a cheat meal one too many times, it's like, okay, well, the hell with the rest of the day. I might as well have another bad meal or another cheat meal or whatever. But that is not the way to go. I feel like getting back on track ASAP. So your next meal, make it a meal that is like aligned with your goals. So that's what I'm starting to do. It's like, okay, if I have a fun meal one day or 2 days in a row, I'm not going to keep building off of that, because that's not going to result in any good for me. And then it just makes me feel bad about myself. Like, I don't feel like I'm in alignment with my goals. So going to the grocery store, picking up some groceries that are going to help me get to my goals. As we all know, I do track my food every, now and then, just because I want to have a clear idea of what I'm eating, how much I'm eating, because I did used to binge eat a while ago. So that's a big tip. If you start to feel bad about yourself when you have one too many fun meals, get back on track as soon as possible. And a big tip is to never skip your workouts twice in a row, or never have, 2 days that are, I'm going to say, not in alignment with your goals, not 2 bad days.